Hi everyone, welcome to day 9 of 20-day basic JavaScript challenge. Today we are going to tackle a common programming task, finding the minimum element in an array. Arrays are versatile data structure in JavaScript that allow us to store and manipulate collection of values. Knowing how to efficiently work with array is essential for any JavaScript developer. Let's dive into the code. So I open my code editor and here you can see I already create index.html file, and in this file I have a script tag. In this script tag I write our JavaScript functionality. So first we define an array. So here I write let numbers is equal to 5, 3, 9, 1 and 7. After that, we initialize a variable to store the minimum element. So here I write let main is equal to numbers starting from 0 element. Okay. Initial value is a 5, and then I use a for loop on this array and find the minimum number from this array. For that, I use a for loop and then I create a variable here. So I is equal to 1 and then I greater than numbers dot length, and we increment this I. In this loop I pass a condition if number smaller than min. So here I write number, and here in this number I pass I this array. So initial value is of 1, mean it start from 1, and then I here write a smaller than sign, and here I write min, and in this I pass min is equal to number I. After that I show this message to our user. For that I use a console.log method, and in this first I show a message to the user. The minimum element in the array is. Then I use a plus sign for concatenate the main number. So here I write main. So now I save the file and go to a browser and reload the page. You can see I get the value 1, because here you can see our minimum value in this array is 1. So like that you can get a minimum value from an array. If you want to give a maximum value from an array, so you can change this value. Okay, so here I write a greater than sign and save this and go to a browser, and now you can see the minimum element. So here I want to change the message maximum and save, and here you can see the maximum element in the array is 9. Okay, so like that you can get a min value and max value from an array. So here you can see our max value is 9 in this array. That's it for today's tutorial. We have learned how to find the minimum element in an array using JavaScript. Array manipulation skills are essential for solving a wide range of programming problems. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.